Hello folks, hope everybody's doing well today. Today we are going to be showing a video one of our subscribers sent in to us. I work with this man, Jeff. He bought him 12 little chicks and he took a little video sent in to us to share. And let's take a look at them here.
Okay, I just started a video here of our little chicks we got. We got like 12 chicks. Got them over at the Royal King the other day, and just kind of been watching them grow here. They work on their little chicken starter. I think that's the third jar I've filled. And done their water yesterday too, and checked them out for the pasty bud. I had a couple with issues, but anyway, name's Jeff there, and I just wanted to show this little video. Doug, his wife Carolyn, had recommended, giving the chicks some eggs after they're a few days old. I think she said. Just cut them up real small I used a little chopper and cut them up real fine, and I put them in there a while ago, and when I first put them in, they stayed back, and I walked away and came back and started messing with them a little bit. So I thought I'd do this little video of them eating the eggs. Just a small egg, scrambled up and cut it up real fine. My hens are probably 6-year-old, close to it. Only getting one egg a day, sometimes none. They could be molting right now, so that may be one of the issues. Winter time's coming on. But I'm planning on keeping them maybe as long as they keep laying till these get big enough to where I can move them to a bigger cage there. I got to work on it. But they, as you can see, they're liking those eggs, which I do too. Got 12 of these chicks from Royal King over there. I just told them to get me a couple out of each bin till they got 12. I think I got some Easter eggers and Americanas, Black Australorp, however you say that. I don't know what the yellow ones are. I should have paid more attention where it's getting them and maybe made note of that, but I didn't. No big deal to me. I don't know a whole lot about chickens, and I've had them. Well, these are about 6-year-old first chickens I've ever had myself, and they gave us a lot of eggs, but they're getting older, and they're fighting over the eggs now. See, chasing that one around. There's a whole plate over there, but they're wanting to fight over that one bird's got in their mouth. It's kind of funny, ain't it? I mean, a whole plate of food there, and they're fighting over what one's got. But they're liking it. Said it was a good little boost for them. They said it'd help them to grow there, and I can see a difference in them just no longer than I've had them. This is the first time I give eggs. We'll maybe do another video in about a week or two, see how they're doing. But I'll be signing out. Just wanted to show you the egg there. Giving it to them. They're really liking it. Thank you, Doug and Carolyn, for the information there, and everybody have a blessed day.
Alrighty, that was a great job, Jeff. Keep the videos a-coming. We'll sure show everybody. Folks, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, and you all have a great day. Thank you again for watching.